1 Minute Flemish, Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Flemish, where you can learn Flemish 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Kurt.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Flemish. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Flemish speaker, they'll be very impressed with your language skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Flemish in Flemish is...
Vlaams,
Let's hear that again.
Vlaams,
Try repeating it after Kurt one more time.
Vlaams.
To say that you speak Flemish, you say...
Ik spreek Vlaams.
Let's slow that down and try repeating the whole thing after Kurt.
Ik spreek Vlaams.
Let's hear it again at normal speed.
Ik spreek Vlaams.
Perhaps it's safer to say, I speak a little Flemish. The word for a little is...
Een beetje,
Listen again.
een beetje,
Repeat it one more time.
een beetje.
So, to say, I speak a little Flemish, you would say...
Ik spreek een beetje Vlaams.
Kurt, can we hear that a little more slowly, please?
Ik spreek een beetje Vlaams.
Okay, let's hear it one more time at normal speed. Repeat after Kurt.
Ik spreek een beetje Vlaams. Time's up.
I'm sure that these new phrases you've learned in today's program will go down well with any Flemish-speaking friends or colleagues you meet.
That's all for today. Bedankt en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.